All right, so what we're gonna do is work on what's called the Crescent Lunge. So Chris is gonna demonstrate. He's gonna have one foot forward, making sure the knee stacked over the ankle. Back knee is down. He's gonna lift both arms up overhead, squeezing his glutes. He's going to press his hips forward and then rock back. And once again, you wanna feel a stretch in the hip flexors of the back leg. Remember to keep those glutes squeezed. You want to do about 10 per side. So let's go ahead and switch and demonstrate on the other side. Remember, the knees are stacked over the ankles, glutes squeeze, shifting the hips forward, arms go up. And that is the Crescent Lunge.